Pre-built gaming PCs love to hide cheap motherboards, weak power supplies, and inflated prices behind pretty RGB. What if you could get better performance, better parts, and spend less just by building it yourself instead? In this video, I will give you 5 clear reasons why building your own PC is better than buying a pre-built PC. Here's what we will be covering in this video. Firstly, controlling all the components in the build so you get to decide it yourself. Secondly, why building it yourself is way more fun and less scary than expected. Third, how you can pick high quality components for better reliability and performance. Fourth, future upgradability so your PC doesn't end up as e-waste in just 3 years. And fifth, how building your own PC usually wins out on price. In addition to all of this, I'll also show you a super fast way to pick components for your next PC build. A lot of people start with pre-built PCs because they feel safe. Someone else has to handle all the hard parts. The problem is that those companies have to hit their margins. So often you'll see a good CPU paired with a good graphics card, but at the same time that pre-built PC will have a very cheap motherboard and very underpowered power supply. And oftentimes the case also has terrible airflow. This means less stability, way more heat, and less upgradability in the future. If you're spending $1,000 to $2,000, you deserve to know where your money goes. When you build your computer yourself, you're the one in control. You choose the exact CPU, GPU, case, RAM, motherboard, power supply, and so on and so on. More importantly, you can choose parts that the companies usually skimp out on. So instead of a no-name 500 watt power supply, you can actually get a good quality 650 or 700 watts power supply instead. And for the motherboard, you can avoid bare minimum motherboards that have very weak VRMs and instead pick something with better power delivery, more M.2 slots, and features that you'll actually care about. Building a PC is basically adult Lego. You got well-labeled parts that mostly fit together. That first time when you click the power button and everything just spins up, it's a magical feeling. You also get to understand your machine and what every part does. So in case something breaks in the future, you can replace that component or figure out where it goes wrong. That knowledge lets you pick high quality components in the future. As I said earlier, pre-builds love to pair good CPUs and graphics cards with low quality everything else. But when you're the one in charge, you get to balance the budget exactly as you want. You can choose faster SSD instead of hard drives. You can choose dual channel RAM instead of just having a single stick of RAM. And you can avoid thermal issues by choosing a case that has good airflow. All of this means higher consistent FPS, lower temperatures, and fewer crashes. Even if the specs look somewhat similar, PC you build yourself is going to last you much longer and be easier to upgrade in the future. Part of this reason is also because you're not locked into any proprietary components that prevent you from upgrading. Custom builds use off-the-shelf standard components. That means in a couple of years, if you want a new graphics card, you can buy one and put it in your new PC. Or if you choose to double your RAM in the future, you can also just buy some more RAM and place it in your computer as well. Likewise, if you need additional storage in the future, you can also just add some additional SSDs. And then there's the pricing. Manufacturers that make the pre-built PCs often sit on their inventory. This means that there is less of a chance of having a good deal. If you're buying your own components instead, you can wait a bit to get a good deal on the specific components you want. Over the lifetime of a build, this can save you tens, even hundreds of dollars, and at the same time ensure you get better quality parts. Okay, so how do you actually plan a smart build without having to spend hours on a parts list? Let me show you a quick way. To make this easier, I have built a free tool called MaxMyBuild.com. Allow me to show you how it works in under a minute. Go to MaxMyBuild.com, plug in your budget, and you plug in everything else that you care about, such as target resolution. The tool will then suggest you a list of quality components by using the benchmarks of the component combined with the nearest pricing information. In full disclosure, if you do buy something, I might just earn a small commission on it. This helps me make more videos like this. So these are the main reasons why I think building your own PC almost always wins out instead of buying a pre-built PC. You control every component and it's generally very fun and educational. And the upgrade path in the future is very clear. In addition to all of this, pricing usually works out in your favor. If you're ready to start planning, open up MaxMyBuild and go ahead. When you're done with that, watch this next video and remember to subscribe for more practical PC building. If you want, you can drop a comment with your budget and your preferences and I can try to suggest a PC build for you.